Every year, millions of drivers face one brutal choice: keep their car past the warranty or sell it before disaster strikes. Here's the shocking truth. One wrong move can burn a hole of $5,000 to $15,000 in sudden repairs, sometimes overnight. Picture this. Your transmission fails just 1 month after the warranty ends. That's not just metal breaking, it's your savings collapsing. So what's smarter? Do you keep your car long-term or cut it loose before the clock runs out? A shiny new car sits polished outside the dealership. Meanwhile, your old car hums quietly in the driveway. Which one is the real trap? And here's the truth. You can't escape this decision. If you own a car right now, it's waiting for you, whether you admit it or not. In the next few minutes, we'll decode the truth mechanics and dealers never tell. By the end, you'll know exactly when to keep your car and when to sell it before it buries you in debt. The moment you buy a car, it starts losing value. Drive it off the lot, and depreciation takes its first big bite. Then come the other bills: taxes, higher insurance, new fees. Dealers want you to believe a new car saves you from trouble. But here's the fact most people never hear. 6 months of new car payments equals a full year of repairs and maintenance on your old car. That means while you're paying for the smell of new leather, the person who kept their older car might only be paying for oil, brakes, and basic fixes. You don't escape the costs. You just trade one monster for another, monthly payments instead of repair bills. Yes, the dealer wants you to believe new is safer, smoother, and smarter. But the math tells a different story. For many drivers, the cheapest car is the one they already own. But what if your current car is already turning into a money pit? Every car gives warnings before it fails. Tiny signs that most drivers ignore: a glowing check engine light, a slow leak on the driveway, rust spreading along the frame, or the smell of an engine running too hot. These aren't small problems. They're early whispers of collapse. And here's the fact. Ignoring these signs can turn a $200 repair into a $2,000 disaster. Wait longer, and the same issue can explode into a $10,000 bill. Because cars rarely die in one sudden moment. They die in stages. They warn you first, but too many drivers brush it off until it's too late. The warranty feels like a shield, but it won't protect you once it expires. And once the coverage is gone, those whispers become a storm of bills. The choice is clear. Notice the red flags now, or pay the full price later. So which parts are the real killers once the warranty is gone? Every car hides silent assassins under the hood. The transmission, the fragile CVT, the turbocharger, the hybrid battery, the hidden timing chain. Each one works quietly until the day it doesn't. And when they fail, the cost is brutal. A single repair can strike for $4,000 or climb past $10,000 in one blow. That's not just a mechanic's bill, that's half the price of another car, gone in a single week. The truth is painful. You could love your car, care for it, and still face a repair that empties your savings. Your warranty is the only shield. But every shield has an expiry date. The moment it ends, you are exposed. One failure, and you could be buried under costs you never planned for. And here's the haunting question. Does that mean electric cars escape the same fate? Electric cars bring their own trap. Under the floor sits the battery pack, the true heart of every EV. When it's strong, the car runs silent and smooth for years. But when it dies, the car itself feels dead. And here's the fact that shocks most drivers. A replacement battery can cost $8,000, sometimes as high as $15,000 once coverage is gone. That's not a small repair. That's the value of the entire car collapsing in one single bill. A healthy battery, is the safest long-term bet you can make. Keep it strong. And an EV can outlast engines. But a weak battery? That's an instant sell. A warning to get out before the costs crush you. The conflict is this: most owners never check the hidden diagnostics that reveal the truth about their pack. Without that knowledge, you're gambling blind. So what if your car is still strong today? How do you keep it alive safely beyond the warranty? Every car has a shield against big repairs, maintenance. It's not glamorous, it's not exciting, but it is the cheapest way to keep a car alive. Change the fluids on time. Replace worn plugs, belts, and brakes. Watch your tires. Don't forget the small 12-volt battery that powers everything. This cycle of care is the difference between smooth driving and sudden breakdowns. Spend $1,000 on preventive maintenance, and you could save $10,000 in catastrophic repairs. That's not a small win. That's survival. And here's the twist. The cheapest car you'll ever drive is usually the one you already own. Ignore this shield, and your car will eat you alive with bills that feel endless. Respect it, and you'll stretch your miles, your money, and your peace of mind. But one question lingers. What about extended warranties? Aren't they the safety net every driver dreams of? Extended warranties sound like peace of mind, but most are clever traps. Drivers pay $3,000 or more in premiums, only to face denied claims when they need them most. One missed oil change, one small loophole, and the company walks away. And here's the twist. Saving just $50 to $150 a month for your own repair fund beats any contract. That's money you control, not a dealer. If you're finding this breakdown brutally honest, subscribe now, because the car industry will never say this out loud. But what if you've decided the fight isn't worth it? If it's time to sell, how do you do it without losing thousands? If you choose to sell, how you sell makes all the difference. A private sale with full service records almost always beats a dealer trade-in. Done right, you can keep 10 to 20% more money in your own pocket. Dealers thrive on desperation. They offer less because they know most drivers just want out. But informed sellers don't hand away their value. Selling the right way is freedom. Selling wrong is theft of your own money. So how do you decide, once and for all, to keep your car or to finally sell? Here's the rule. Keep your car if it's reliable and repairs stay affordable. But sell fast if it's unsafe or too risky. Missing modern safety tech like AEB, blind spot alerts, or side airbags means an instant sell. Because even a perfectly running car can be outdated where it matters most, your life. The choice isn't about feelings, it's about survival. It's about the cold numbers that protect your future. So the question becomes clear. What's the one secret truth drivers always miss? Here's the truth. Cars don't suddenly fail. Drivers fail to read the signs. A shiny warranty is not real protection. Knowledge is. The rule is simple. Keep the car that serves you. Sell the one that secretly owns you. Because the vehicle in your driveway is more than transport. It can be your freedom or your financial chains. What began as fear, keep or sell, now ends with clarity. You finally know the truth. So ask yourself, is your car your tool for freedom? Or is it your ticking time bomb? In the end, this decision is not about cars. It's about taking control of your future. With this blueprint, you'll never be trapped by smooth-talking dealers, empty warranties, or fear of sudden repairs. You now hold the power to choose wisely. So make sure to subscribe for more hard truths that protect your money and your freedom. And tell us, are you keeping your car long-term or selling it before the warranty runs out?